Hello my dear students, today we are going to do miscellaneous problem set 1. So after practice set 36 it is given. These are all the sums which we have done from practice set 1 to practice set 36. So today we are going to do till 12. Okay. So now question number 1, solve the following. Third question, minus 24 into 2. So minus 24 into 2, 24 into 24 2 is 48. So minus 48. Here minus 104 divided by 1 minus 13. So 104 upon minus 13, minus 1 will take x because we want this in positive. So we will take minus 1. Now here 104 upon 13. 13, how much the 104 is there? 13 8 is 104. Question number 2, find the prime factors of the following numbers and find the LCM and HCF. Now 75 135, 3 25 is 75, 3 45 is 135, 5 5 is 25, 5 9 is 45. So HCF is 3 into 5 15 and LCM 3 into 5 into 5 into 9. We got the LCM. In the same way we can do separately. I have done this in together and we can do separate also. So 2 57 is 114, 19 3 is 57, 2 38 is 76 and 19 2 is 38. First we will write 2 into 19 into 3 and 76 2 19 and 2. So what is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. What are the common numbers in these two? 2 and 19 means 2 19s are 38 and LCM 2 into 19 into 3 into 2. These are common, so we will write only one time and 3 into 2. We got the answer 228. Question number 3, simplify 247 upon 209. So we will do division method. 247 and 209. 209 ones are 209. We got the answer 38. Now 209 will come here because this is the first step. 38 5s are 190. So we got the answer 19. 19 2s are 38. This is the second step. We got the answer 0. So 247 upon 209 equal to 247 divided by, we get the answer 13 equal to 11. We can do this in different method also. 247 equal to this 19. 19 how much is 247? 19 13s are 247 and 19 11s are 209. We are getting same answer. Okay. Question number 4, find the square root of the following numbers. Square root 225, 375 are 225, 325 are 75, 5 5 are 25, 5 1s are 25. See, these are the common numbers 3 3 5 5. So 3 into 5 we have to take only one time. 3 and 5, 3 5s are 15. The square root of 225 is 15. In the same way 2025, 3 675 is 2025 and 3 225 is 675, 3 75 is 225, 3 25 is 75, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 5. In the same way we have to 3 is common, here also 3 common, here 5 means 3 into 3 into 5, 3 3 5, 3 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45. Question number 5 is graph. There are 4 polling booths for a certain election. The numbers of men and women who cast their vote at each booth is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Polling booths, women, men. Navodaya Vidyalaya 500 for 40, Vidyaniketan School 520 640, City High School 687 60 and Eklavya School 800 and 600. So we will draw a bar graph. I have drawn a bar graph. This is y-axis and x-axis. So I will write the numbers. The numbers are in hundreds. So I will write 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 900. I will write. And in x-axis I will write Navodaya Vidyalaya, Vidyaniketan School, City High School and Eklavya School. So and here I will write the scale. Sorry, it is not seen properly. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 100 voters is given. 100 voters, female voters and male voters. these are the female voters and these are male voters. So female voters how many are there? 500 and 440 in Navodaya Vidyalaya. So we will draw 1 centimeter equal to 100 voters. See, 1 centimeter 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 100. So one female voters are 500 and male voters are 440, means 440. Same Vidyaniketan school 520 and 640. 520 and 640, 600 and more 4 times, 1 2 3 4 640. In City High School 680, 760, 680 and 760. In the same way 800 and 600, 800 female and 600 in male voters. Okay my dear students. Now next question is question number 6. Simplify the expressions. See, 3 into bracket 485 plus 5 minus again bracket 15 divided by 3 plus 2. So we have to simplify. First what we have to do, inside the brackets we have to solve. 3 I will write as it is, 4 as it is, 85. So 15 divided by 3, 3 5 is 15. I have written 15 here, minus sign is given. We have done the first step. Next bracket this one. So 3 into 4, 85, 5 minus 5, 0, means 85 will come as it is and 2. In the same way this also step is done. Next bracket 3 into 485, 4 is 340 plus 2, means this also bracket is completed. Now 340 plus 2, 342. 30 in 3 into 342 is, we got the answer 1026. Same matter you all have to do. First solve the inner brackets, then outer, then last bracket, then multiply. Okay. So in question number 7 solve. 4 3 upon 8 divided by 25 upon 18, means 4 8s are plus 3, 4 8s are 32 plus 3 35 divided by 25 upon 18. So we will write multiplication in, when the division is done and we convert into multiplication, this will come up. It is the multiplicative inverse. 18 will go up and 25 will come down. So 5 7s are 35, 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18, 5 5s are 25. So here 5 is cancelled, 5 is cancelled and 2 is cancelled, 2 is cancelled. Okay, now 7 9s are and 4 5s are, 7 9s are 63, 4 5s are 20. We got the answer. In question number 8, construct triangle ABC such that measure angle A equal to 55 degree, measure angle B equal to 60 degree and length AB is 5.9 centimeter. So what is AB? We have to draw ABC. So ABC. We have to draw first the rough diagram. ABC. I have drawn directly. Sorry for that. First we will draw AB. 5.9 centimeter. See, 5.9 centimeter I have drawn. You will draw with your scale. 5.9 centimeter. Okay. After that we will take from our protector 55 degree. 55 degree. Here I have taken 55 degree. See, 55 degree I have put a dot here, and in the same way angle B 60 degree. So A B C I have written 55 degree, 60 degree. Now here we have got the 55 degree point and 60 degree point, so I have named them y, x and y. Okay. In the same way, question number 10, construct triangle PQR such that angle A P 80 degree, Q 70 degree. Length QR is 5.7 centimeter. QR is 5.7. So measure angle P plus Q plus R. We want R also. P Q R. So we know what is P. P is 80 degree. How come 80 degree will come? So we will take Q is 70 degree and R we don't know. R we don't know, so we will write 80 plus 70 angle R equal to 180. This is in linear pair type. So measured angle R equal to 180 minus 80 minus 70. We got the answer 30 degrees. So measured angle R is 30 degrees. So I have drawn here. First we will write 5.7 centimeter we will take from our scale. Next we will take 70 degree. Here I have taken 70 degree. I have put a dot here, and from here I will take 30 degree. 30 degree. I have put a dot here. We got the answers. We got the answer. So I have drawn a line from up scale and put X and Y. Okay. Next, in triangle LMN, length LM equals 6.2, length angle LMN 60 degree, length MN 4 centimeter. Construct triangle LMN. So LMN, MN is 4 centimeter. We got, from here we will draw 60 degree. I have put dot here. Now what is LM? So I want 6.2. I will take from our scale and put draw 6.2, an arc, and put a line from LN. Okay, my dear students. The points which we have to remember: the distance between any two consecutive sets of joint bars should be equal. The product of one positive and one negative integer is a negative. HCF is, the full form of HCF is highest common factor. GCD means greatest common factor. You all know. After question number 8, I have done question number 10 and 12. So 9 and question number 11 you all have to solve because they are same.